So I purchased this magnetic whiteboard eraser online, and it's kind of nifty, but the problem is the magnets are not strong at all. So I just have a little demonstration here. I'm in my workshop. I just have a piece of steel here. Put this on here. You can see it holds, but if I have the top on here, it's too much weight and it falls off, and it's the same thing on the whiteboard. It really just doesn't stick well. So what I want to do is I'm just going to add some more magnets. I've got this here. This is just in one of my bins. I have some extra magnets laying around, so if I put that in here, put it on here, it can support the weight of itself, and it's a little stronger. So you can kind of experiment with different weights, but this one, I had a number of different weights. This one worked the best. So all I'm going to do is just super glue that in there, and obviously I just took this cap off. That's the top of the magnet. I've got some super glue here. And I'm just gonna... This is also an idea you could use if you even had a non-magnetic whiteboard eraser. You could just put some magnets right into it and make it magnetic, but this one right here was supposed to be magnetic, so I'm just going to put that in there and let it dry. And I'm just going to put the cap back on, lock it in place. And from the reviews online, I should have read a little more, but it seems like that's a common problem. But this is an easy little fix here. So for anybody else that has a magnetic eraser or wants to make a magnetic eraser, quick little fix there. Hope that helps. Thanks.